How to fix an HP printer that is offline or not responding from a Windows computer. If you are printing from your Windows computer and encounter a printer offline status, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. Step 1.
If you are facing any problem regarding HP printer, then call our toll-free number for any kind of information.
Step 2. Set the default printer. From the taskbar, search for and open Printers and Scanners. Under Printing Preferences, make sure the Let Windows Manage My Default Printer option is toggled off. Select your printer from the list to open the Options menu. Select the Set as Default button in the top right corner to set the printer as the default option.
In case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert